Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be going through the tutorial on the TI Inspire CX2 calculator. And then this will be on the topic of inverse function. So let's get started. So here we have the function of 2 natural log of e, x plus 3 plus 4. And the first one is we will have to find what the inverse function is. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to quickly pull out our calculator. And then we go to menu, algebra, and solve. So go to that first. And then we type in x. So x equals to 2 times natural log. So to get natural log, it's you have to press control and then press this button there for natural log. Okay, so control that. And then we go y plus 3. So instead of x, we put y. And then do the plus 4 and then put comma y. So we want to solve for y. So the calculator will rearrange to make y the subject here, which is essentially getting the inverse function. So your inverse function is this. So y equals to e to the power of x over 2 minus 2 and then minus 3. So let's quickly put that into our answers here. So I'll just quickly share my screen again. Okay. So for part A, our inverse function is essentially equals to e to the power of x over 2 minus 2 and then minus 3. And then for part B, we want to find the coordinates of points of intersections between the graphs of fx and f inverse x. So, yep, we can do that on the calculator. Okay, so whilst we still have the answer there, so what you want to do is first of all, we want to copy this function here, the original function. So highlight this one here, and then you just go Control C to copy, and then press this button here to quickly shift over to the graph there, and then you just double click blank space, and then just paste. So do that, and then just quickly swap the y into x. So delete and make that into x like this. And then just go ahead and press enter. And that's your graph there for fx. And then we press that again to go back to our calculator page like this. And then highlight this one here. So so how you highlight, just you press that and then you press the shift button and then you click again to highlight. So shift and then highlight. So basically you want to highlight that section, not including the y equals, and then go Control C. So you copy that and then press that again to jump over to the graph. Double click the blank space so you get FX2 and just go Control V to paste and then you just press enter. So now you got the two graphs there and it's pretty clear there are two intersections. So just go ahead and press menu, analyze graph and intersection like this. Press enter. Lower. So let's say you want to find the bottom intersection first. So lower bound, you just go slightly to the left of the intersection and then slowly move it over until you can see a black dot there for intersection. For upper bound, and then just press enter. Sorry, click, like enter, and then you get that first coordinate point. And then the second coordinate point, you do the same thing. So menu, analyze graph, and go to intersection like this. And go ahead and press enter. So move the cursor slightly to the left intersection like that. Click, and then move to the right. See the black dot there, and then press enter. Not enter, you click, and there you have it. So you have two intersection points. One's at negative 2.97 for x, and then negative 2.97 for y, and the other one's at 8.96, 8.96. So let's go ahead and write that in. So I just quickly reshare my screen. Okay, and I'll just quickly bring that up. All right, so for part B, the first intersection point, it's at negative 2.96, comma, negative 2.96. And the other one is at 8.96, comma 8.96. Sorry, this should be 2.97 if you round it to two decimal place. 2.97, 2.97, negative 2.97. The other one is 8.96 and 8.96. Okay, so that's it for today. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next lesson. Okay, see you later.